Have you been struggling to lose weight? Today, we will be sharing some of our top secret tips on how to use green tea for weight loss. What is green tea? First, let's talk about what green tea actually is. Green tea is a tea that is made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant, which is commonly grown in tea plantations. These plantations are usually located at high altitudes in regions with a subtropical climate. An aerial view of the tea plantation offers a fascinating perspective on the extensive fields of tea plants. The Camellia sinensis plant is known for its numerous natural properties, including antioxidants and other beneficial compounds that are vital for maintaining good health. Thus, green tea is an excellent choice for individuals who want to stay healthy and improve their overall well-being. How does green tea help with weight loss? Now, you might be wondering how exactly green tea can help you with weight loss. Well, the catechins and caffeine in green tea work together to increase your metabolism and give you more energy. Green tea has multiple benefits when it comes to weight loss. It contains catechins and caffeine, which are two essential ingredients that help in boosting your metabolism. This increase in metabolism leads to a more significant calorie burn, ultimately leading to weight loss. Caffeine, on the other hand, acts as a stimulant, providing you with an instant boost of energy that keeps you active throughout the day. Therefore, incorporating green tea into your daily routine can help you shed those extra pounds and lead a healthy lifestyle. When should you drink green tea? Timing is important when it comes to drinking green tea for weight loss. You should aim to drink it in the morning or early afternoon to get the maximum benefits. Avoid drinking it too close to bedtime as it can interfere with your sleep. It is crucial to consider the timing when it comes to consuming green tea for weight loss. For the best results, it is advisable to drink it either in the morning or early afternoon. To make it easier, you can mark off specific times in your clock or calendar to ensure that you don't miss out on this important routine. However, you should be careful with the timing and avoid drinking it too close to bedtime as it can negatively impact your sleep. By following this simple routine, you can ensure that you get the maximum benefits of green tea for weight loss. How much green tea should you drink? It is crucial to be aware of your daily consumption of green tea. In order to reap the benefits of this renowned beverage, it is recommended to consume 2 to 3 cups of green tea per day. It's necessary to ensure that you are measuring the correct amount of green tea using a measuring cup. Too much caffeine can be harmful to your health, and thus, it is essential to stick to the recommended amount. By following this, you can enjoy the potential positive effects of green tea, such as improved brain function, fat loss, and a lower risk of cancer. How to brew green tea? To further enhance the taste and aroma of your green tea, it's important to follow the correct brewing process. Begin by heating your water to 80 degrees Celsius, which is just below boiling point. Using water that is too hot can make your tea taste bitter. Once your water has reached the desired temperature, add your green tea leaves to the water. Be careful not to add too much as this can also result in a bitter taste. Steep your tea for no more than 3 minutes to avoid overbrewing. After 3 minutes, strain the tea and pour it into your favorite mug. Enjoy the perfect cup of green tea that is both flavorful and refreshing. Other ways to use green tea for weight loss. Green tea doesn't just have to be sipped as a tea. In addition to sipping green tea as a hot or cold beverage, there are other ways to utilize its weight loss benefits. Why not try incorporating green tea into your cooking? Experiment with adding it to soups, smoothies, and even baked goods. You can also opt for natural green tea supplements to help boost your metabolism and burn fat. If you're looking for a change from traditional tea drinking, incorporating green tea into your diet in different ways can be a great option. So there you have it, our secret tips on how to use green tea for weight loss. Remember to drink it at the right time and in the right amount, and brew it properly for maximum benefits. Try and incorporate these tips to facilitate the weight loss process. Don't forget to subscribe to Cured by Earth to stay updated on natural remedy facts, and leave any natural cure-related questions in the comments section for future videos. If you found this information useful, please give it a thumbs up.